Hey folks, my name's Country. I'm with the U.S. Veterans Corps. We're out here today with Goliath, which is our hurricane rescue truck. This is a 2001 Ford F-250 that we've lifted up on a big lift with a lot of heavy duty stuff because we take this tricked out truck into hurricanes so that when people want to make that call because they're in a bad position, we can come out and help them. We actually situated the truck so that we have a full roll cage, we have a reinforced bumper, we have bigger axles, bigger everything, big Mickey Thompson tires, so that we can make it through when other people can't, so that when you make that call, we don't get stuck coming out to get you. Now, in addition to that, we repositioned the truck so that we put an army bed on it so that it would be more utilitarian for what we need. But I'd like to thank the fine folks out at DECT. DECT did something for us that is absolutely a game changer for us, because when we go into bad situations, all of our tools are accessible to anybody and everybody. With the DECT system, we come back here to the back of the truck, and what they did for us is they donated this DECT tool drawer system. This system allows us to take all of our recovery gear, all of our tools. We got our Yukon gear here, our snatch blocks, we got a medical kit that they donated. We're able to put it here, and it's secure because when we have this bed locked in place, nobody can gain access to our tool systems. In addition, here we've got impact drivers, we've got screwdrivers, we got battery packs, we got our wrenches, anything and everything that we need so that we can be safe and so that we can make sure that the people that we're saving, they're safe. On top of that, they decided, you know what, that's not enough. Having a tool system, but being out in the middle of nowhere and not being able to feed ourselves with a nice set of cutlery and a nice set of pots and pans just wasn't going to work. So they donated over $500 worth of gear, so that in the back we actually have a cooking set so that we can do our coffee, we can do our breakfast, we can do our lunch and dinner, and when we're done and we're trying to wind down, we can take care of ourselves as well as taking care of the people that we're out there for. So if you're looking for a tool system for your truck, I highly recommend DECT drawer systems because they are absolutely fantastic. And when you go to your truck, you take care of doing the little things that you need to do, and you lock it up, you know nobody can gain access to your tools and the gear that you've got. Thank you very much, and y'all have a great day.